out there. I hope you're staying warm or cool, whichever you need. That nice in between, about 70 degrees, whichever's preferable for you. Had quite a day, and I'll give you a little bit about that. Basically, we went into the doctor and just had our annual flu shots and checkup, you know, blood pressure, all that, plus some blood work. So, and then we went to the library where I dropped off 2 of my books, the Who Be Charlie B and Finding Charlie, A Forbidden Romance. So she was happy to get those. And then I had already talked to her about them, so then we came home and there was something on the porch. So I'm going to show you what it is, and it has to do with a combining of some of the projects that I've done over the past several months. Oh, okay. So this is what I'm talking about. These are little plastic, hexagon-shaped, clear fishbowl type things. So in a little bit, it's so clear I don't know if you can even see it. Hello. So we're going to make terrarium. So this is what I'm talking about. These are little plastic, hexagon-shaped, clear fishbowl type things. So in a little bit, it's so clear I don't know if you can even see it. Hello. So we're going to make terrarium with the, right now, the Halloween decoration or miniatures that I made. And this plant that we barely saved, but it did save, so that's what I'm going to do tonight. And you get to watch. And I might just say this as a terrarium top. I don't know, we'll see. I gotta keep checking to make sure I'm still recording, because there's about half a battery. Yeah, this is a tombstone and a branch or tree, whichever you want. The grave, the bones, the spooky cute ghost, the witch's head, the snake, and the spider. Okay, I am going to remove that. What I'm going to do is, for right now, I'm not running out and getting soil right now, so I'll just put some fresh soil in on top of it later. So I'm going to use this same soil. I don't think I'll need all of it. Let's see what it takes to cover the bottom of this thing. Woo! I did bring water because I know it needs water. Well, we may need all of it. What's on the bottom has probably got the most nutrients left in it, because it's a really shallow root. This was one of the plants, the succulents, that was pretty much dying in those owl planters that I put them in first. Here I thought I was going to be able to do this without being a big mess. So much for thinking. This one, it had sprouted this real long thing, but a lot of the bottom parts were dying. And this one little sprig there, just this part, was all I was able to keep when I went to repot it. And just, oh, that's just going to die. I said, I know, probably. But it's a stubborn little thing and it decided to live. Come on. The soil is very dry right now. I need to. Hard to get both hands in there. Like I said, I will be adding more soil. Okay. I've got some water here. There. Okay. I don't want to make it too muddy yet. Alright. Okay. How do I arrange it, huh? Okay, let's put this tombstone here. I want stuff to show up. Yeah, ghosty there. I had a problem with my carolers. Joe went ahead. He still thinks they're really cute. He didn't see them before I baked them. And so he thinks they're really still cute, so I'm glad. I'm glad he thinks so. But they were so pretty. I think I will maybe do one or two more. I think I can find a couple of those. These pumpkins don't want to stand up. But when I made his birthday thing, I forgot to turn the temperature back down, and I ended up burning them. I didn't really know I could burn clay, polymer clay. I guess you can. It's why they say to make them at. I'm just going to toss these little bones and these extra little maggots in here. There. Now, since that's kind of small, hopefully it'll kind of grow, and if I can encourage it, I'll get it to kind of grow around. I think it's kind of cute. I'll give you a close-up here in a little bit. So, they just turned totally black. The pink and the yellow dresses are black. And the only thing on the one had kind of the tangerine, I guess, colored skin, or head and arms, because that's all you could see of the skins, the head and arms, because that's all anyway, those didn't turn black. I think it's because it was a much older clay and drier, so it didn't have as much moisture to take out of it. So, but I think I might try to make a couple more, and this time I'll bake them at 225 where they're supposed to be. Please keep the thankful statements coming so that we have them through November. I have 3 now, and I have started the document for when we get to November and start putting our daily thank yous out there. And please comment below on what you think of terrariums in general, and this one. If you have any more themes, Of course, I'm going to probably do some, you know, I've got that, all that fruit that I made. I need some rocks. You know what? I need some rocks. You know, like real ones. Those are always good in a terrarium. I thought about seeing if we could find some tree bark, a chunk of tree bark to stick in there. But we have Thanksgiving coming up. I can do one with a Thanksgiving theme. And then there's Christmas coming up, and I can make a little tree and some other things, some bubbles. The nativity scene maybe, and put in there. I don't know about making one of those, but if I could make a caroler, maybe. So we shall see. Practice seems to be helping me, so please do comment, subscribe, click that little button down there, and don't forget the bell. Make sure you click on that bell because that'll give you notifications whenever I upload. And give us a thumbs up. And I really hope you enjoyed the terrarium. If you would like to help support this channel, as well as my writing and the research I need to do for the next book, just buy my books. That's the best way.
Got it yesterday. It's got a flag on it even.